Book. Say book. Say book. No, no. No, no. Here. Here. Book. Book. I love you. Where's your love? Right here? Ooh, you are. Spot goes to the beach. It's upside down, baby. Look. Spot goes to the beach by Eric Hill. Want to go to your kitchen? Are you trying to pretend Dad and I... Oh, look. Look. Lift it. Lift this. Oh, here I am. Let's see. Almost. 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 Give me the almost. Gonna take it off. Let's turn to the next page. Oh, here. We have to take this one off. Oh, I'm okay, Dad. You okay, Timbo? You say Dad? Or Mom? Bubba. 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 Bubba.
Oh, from
That's Spot. You know why? He's the other Spot.
I know yesterday Bessie said that there were naps. Oh. No more naps already? No more naps.
Whoa. Puffin. Puffin, go like this. Do it. You do it. Say whoa, whoa. Timbo. Peekaboo. Show me peekaboo. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Where's Timbo? There he is. Where's Timbo? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Where's my Timbo? I see him live. I see his nose. Ow. You okay? Let me see it. Let me kiss it. All better. Let me kiss it.
Okay.
You kiss it. All better. Hey, I could do peekaboo too. I could do peekaboo. Where'd mommy go? There he is. Where'd Timbo go? I can't see. Is this my Timbo? Is this my Timbo? I can't see him. I can't see my Timbo.
No, she failed her vision. Oh, did I send it? Oh, and there was a record.
There you go. I kiss it some more? Oh. Can I kiss it? No. Ew, you're naughty. Hold up, patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Timbo and Timbo and Simba, Samba, Samba. I love you, patty cake. I love Timbo. High five. High five. Here I am. There he is. Here I am. Don't rip it off. Oh, you have to put it on the water. You want to be a doggy? What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? Woof, woof. That's what doggy says? have hugs. Who's in there? Who's in there? That looks like a dog. Maybe a dog. Different kind of dog. A new friend. Hold on. Got it. Oh, big man in charge. Big man in charge. Oh. You want to do it again? Yeah. Plant your feet. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Love you. Ah. One, 2, 3. Put your nose on my nose. Oh, okay. You want to do it again? Run, set, ready. Whoa! You jumping? You learning how to jump? You gotta get off the floor when you jump, baby. Timbo.
Mama.
What, baby? What? How can I help you? Peekaboo. Hey. Don't have a tantrum. Do not have a tantrum. You say cheese. Cheese. Okay. He wants to record everything. Mommy fixed this book. Get kisses. Go take it to it. You want to do science? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Down. Set. Height. Oh. You want to sit up there? No. No means you don't want to sit up there. Yes means you do want to sit up there. You want to sit up there? Okay. Come on. Ooh. you looking at? You looking for her? No. Why not? That's your feet. Let me smell your stinky feet. Really stinky.
Yeah.
You smell. Yeah. Nice and soft. This is hard. But this is soft. You see the difference? Yeah. That's the lens. That's the camera lens. Now you're covering the lens. If you uncover it, you'll see stuff. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh, Timbo. You wanna do it? Ew. Quit doing that with your teeth. Look at mommy toes in the camera. Wanna go give it to her? Okay. No means you don't want to give it to her. Yes means you want to give it to her. You want to go play with your toy? No means you don't want to play with your toys. Yes means you do want to play with your toys. You want to play with your toys? Okay. Timbo. Timbo. Timothy. Timothy. Mommy head hurt. Click that. Take that. Let's change your diaper. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ouch. That looks like it hurts. Come on. You're not going to sit up here by yourself. Come on. Come on.